Welcome everyone. You may be wondering how you can have the iOS 16 beta, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that right now. So the first step is, on your device, you're going to open up the Safari browser and you're going to Google Apple Public Beta. You should see the first result by the official Apple website, which says Apple Beta Software Program. So we're going to tap on this link right here, and then it should bring us to this page. So you're going to scroll all the way down, and if you've never signed up for the public beta before, you're going to tap on sign up and follow the on-screen instructions. If you have signed up for public beta in the past, just tap on sign in, and then it will ask you to sign in with your Apple ID. I've already done this, so once you have signed up or signed in, you'll be brought to this view. Make sure iOS is selected, then scroll all the way down, and you're going to see get started. Just tap on enroll your iOS device. Then you're going to scroll all the way down again. You're going to see install profile and then download profile. So tap on download profile, and then you should get a message any moment now which says this website is trying to download a configuration profile. Do you want to allow? Just tap on allow and then close. From here, you're going to open up the settings app. You're going to find where it says general. You're then going to find where it says at the bottom VPN and device management. You're going to see downloaded profile. Tap on this one, then tap on install, enter in your passcode, tap on install, not now, done. Now, when you go to the software update area settings, if there is a beta version of iOS available, you will see this beta iOS ready to download without any issues. So with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.